the strength of his condition, of his convictions. He has been made to suffer because of what he believes in and his continuing devotion and service to the Filipino people, not only as a soldier, but as a citizen. And that is why we are all here today, to recognize that bravery, that valor, that courage, and that love of country, which we so rarely see in this country these days. So it is our privilege and honor to call Colonel Kelvin a friend. Yun lamang, si President Erap naman, binanggit pa yung bawal na sabihin ng plato. Pero dahil marami sana natin ikwento sa inyo mga pinagsamahan namin ni Ariel, pero I think puro classified lahat ng ating mga usapan. Kaya tayo na lang. But anyway, I just wanted to be here to see Ariel finally being allowed to spread his wings, finally being allowed to work for the people in the way that he wants to. Despite the fact that he loves the military, despite the fact that he loves being a Marine, in his new life now, outside of the military, I think we will find in the near future that he will provide that service, continuing service as he has done when he was still in the military. Now, in private life, we will see him flourish, and we will see him continue to be a guiding light and example for all Filipinos. Happy birthday, Ariel.